Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are featuring the Olympus OM-10. This camera, I just got it from eBay, I'd say 15 days ago before we started the lockdown. I was just looking for a regular Olympus camera, and then I came across with this one, and it's nearing its auction, so it's closing, and then I bid and I got lucky. And but then I didn't realize that it was cheap because this thing here, the cover for the battery, is missing. And so I had to buy it because all my SLR camera covers, they don't fit. Anywho, it's still a good buy. So yeah, this camera doesn't have any shutter speed. It's a aperture priority camera. I think it was manufactured around 1979, if I'm not mistaken. It's fairly small compared to other SLRs. And okay, back again to the aperture priority. So this is the aperture. So you select your corresponding aperture, and this is the distance when you're focusing, and you put in here, dial in here the ISO of your film, and you can choose here if your base B or auto or manual adapter, which I'm not sure what that means, but so this is the switch on and off. If you want to check the battery, there you go. It means it's good. Battery's here. And to open it, so today is sunny. I'm gonna go for a walk and take some picture of the cute houses around my neighborhood. I'm gonna be trying my Kodak 400 Tri-X black and white film. Defrosted it. I haven't really used the Tri-X film, so I'm excited. All right. Okay, that is why. Okay, I got it. There you go. Okay. And now we're ready to shoot. All right. I'll see you again later. Okay.